how to make background transparent in Photoshop. Now this is the image. I want the background to be transparent. Now first of all, I'll go to this quick selection tool and I'll increase its opacity a little bit, size. So yeah, I'll select my subject here. So make sure that you will do the perfect cutting so that there should be no blemishes or imperfections. So I have zoomed in it a little bit, and here I'll scroll down. So yeah, I have selected my subject. Now I want the background to be transparent. I'll right click this and select layer via cut. So this is, as you can see, that my subject has been separated from this background. Now what I will do is I'll go to the here background and select this lock tool, and now my background has been unlocked. Now what I will do is I'll simply delete this layer. Yes. So as you can see that the background is transparent. So this is how you can make your background transparent in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.